Wagwan peeps, thanks for clicking on this video. So now we have trick question episode 1 to 3. So you guys can watch it, but listen now, this is where it gets exciting. So there will be codes that pop up in this video, and if you text me that code on Instagram, my Instagram will be on the screen right now, Jnel official _1. If you watch closely enough, but you have to watch straight through the video, is me. So if you watch closely enough, there will be a code that pop up on the screen, and you should text me that code on Instagram at Jnel official _1. If you text me that code, you get a chance to win. I'm not gonna tell you, but watch the video. Look if you see the code. Let's get it on. What has a bottom at the top?
What? What him say?
What has a bottom at the top?
What is that? Tin milk.
Yo, Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of Trick Question. You don't know season 3 this. So watch on the people, we disappear for 1 year. Wait, another 1 year. Yo, big up myself in my G. Everything up? Alright, man, that's my G. We disappear for 1 year, not 1 year, almost a year. You understand? February to February, that make a year. So now January, you don't know. Almost a year. So watching the peeps, we're there in a half a tree. You don't know half a tree, the hot spot. You see me? And you know the usual. A lot of people are walk past, people are hail me, people are say this, people are say that. So watching the people, you don't know without further ado. Yo! Hold on. People don't know if. We're gone. Alright, so first thing I do, just give me a name.
Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm Mook, man. SE3.
Say again?
Mook.
What
Yeah.
you
That
get
one
name
I give, eh? Get them, give me that, man. Yeah.
The right way.
Kevin's Michael.
Michael.
Yeah.
Stevenson.
You know, say official J on the gram.
Mike.
Eh?
Mike.
Alfonso Joseph Roper.
Say that again?
Alfonso Joseph Roper.
Rasta, yo.
Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Akeem.
Yeah.
Mark Brown.
Jody.
My name is Bunty. Yeah, Bunty. They call me Bunty. That's my right name. That.
You know, I'm intelligent, you know, gangster forever. Check out my songs on YouTube. Vibes Kid, go wind up. You see me? Yeah, go something like this.
Yeah, man,
what you say? That song,
side.
yeah, make for the girl, na the go club. What you say? That song, yeah, make for the girl, na the go club. Sexy girl, just wine up your body. Broke out loose while and get naughty. Girl, wine up your body. Wine like a your birthday party. Girl, wine up your body. Girl, grab the pole and swing.
But people, me asking if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, also at the True TV, you understand? And you see them work here, I see everything we do too. You see it? I walk on and ask questions. And we always drop some banger.
Oh wait, I know you might think something wrong with the video, but no, there's nothing wrong. Trust me, we just come back. Or something wrong already. Nothing can go wrong. So watch, I know the reason why I stop this right here, so it's because you haven't clicked the like button as yet. So go ahead and click the like button so that we can start at the video. Yeah. Thank you very much. First question, right? If you dig a 6 foot hole, how deep is that hole?
6 foot.
Alright, deep enough.
If you dig a 6 foot hole, right? How deep is that hole?
Me dig
a 6 foot hole. How deep is that hole?
What do you mean by that? I don't understand that, no.
A 6 foot hole. A 6 foot hole. I just 6 foot feet.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If I dig a 6 foot hole, how deep is that hole?
Yeah.
How deep is that hole and thing? Boy, it's a tough kind of question that still, you know?
If you dig a 6 foot hole.
What kind of 6 foot? Different from
6 foot, man. 6.
Oh, 6 foot, like?
Yeah, 6 foot hole. 6 feet. If you dig a 6 feet hole.
Oh, you're talking like hole, like?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
6 feet, like 2 inch, 3 inch, or 4 inch.
2 inch, 4 inch or deeper down or depend on what you do.
If you dig a 6 foot hole, right?
Yeah.
How deep is that hole?
How deep is the hole? About, then call us 7 points I go straight down to the mud.
If I dig a 6 foot hole, right? How deep is that hole?
Deep, that's I can jump in that one.
If I dig a 6 foot hole, how deep is that hole?
How deep is that hole? Well, I say 6 foot.
6 foot.
6 foot.
6 foot hole, it must be 6 foot deep.
6 feet.
6 foot. 6 foot, my G. Me not that fool. Yeah, that we see. We know. We not that fool, man. Yeah, 6 foot.
6 foot.
6 feet.
6 foot.
6 foot.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
You just said 6 foot. Eh? You just said 6 foot. 6 foot. Yeah.
Alright, we will ask.
If I dig a 6 foot hole, right? How deep is that hole?
Well, you don't know the girl them see them thing deep, you see me? So we're not even too much talking, see, but you see me? When the girl them forward the thing, we just deal with the thing, you see me? Like a real yard man, you see me? You see me?
Yeah.
Fishy yard, you see me? Real yard man, you see me? So we deal with the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Bless up on yourself and thing, you see me?
I do something.
If I dig a 6 foot hole, right?
Yeah.
How deep is that hole?
Oh, well deep, deep like some guy was that. Deep, well deep.
Like some...
Yeah, dog, cause you have some girl out there who are deep, so dog. You understand? Cause some girl you can get some food for past 6 foot. Dog, I really think, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
I give up. I don't know.
How can I stand behind my father if I'm standing behind him?
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
Standing behind your father. If he's standing behind you. No, that one, I don't need that. I don't know. No, I can't even start that one. I won't even try.
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
How can you stand behind the father if he's standing behind you? Stand behind your father, then you have to go behind your father. Your father, how can you stand behind your father?
Yeah, if he's standing behind you.
Oh, you have to stand up, you have to stand facing him.
No. 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 Hell no.
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
How can you stand behind your father and he must stand behind you? I don't know that I stand there, I don't know my father.
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
Okay, I'm stand behind my father and him stand behind and he must. Wait, go again.
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
Tough question again and thing. Well, I think you can stand behind him, you know, and him done and stand behind you already, you know.
Sure.
Possible, man.
It's possible, man.
Stand behind you. Okay, you stand behind your father and him standing behind you.
Yeah.
Right, tough question again and thing. Tough question again. Question Right, the question here mash up my head still, you know, but there I wonder.
How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
Yeah.
I don't know that one, yeah.
Think about it, man. Nobody give up so easy, you know. How can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
No, him stand behind me. Me not stand behind him. Him stand behind me. He can't stand behind. Because remember, him born first before me, you know. You understand me? So, none of my father stand behind me. And my mother do all I look. You understand me? I say? Father not help me. Me not see my father none at all. I just my mother say and them something there. You understand me? I say? Yeah, so my mother I say at all time. Me not see no father. Father always breathe up and gone about him beat.
How can
you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
How
can you stand behind your father if he's standing behind you?
No, brother, that can't possible. My father stand behind me and me stand behind him.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Same time.
Yeah.
No, that's not possible at all. That's not possible at all. No, that's not possible at all. No, that's not possible at all. No, man.
No man can stand behind me. He must stand beside me. Your overs, him can't stand up behind me. I'm my father. He must stand beside me, Killy. So no, other one there go. Him can't stand up behind me. He must stand beside me. Because no man can stand up behind me, Jnel. You don't know that already.
How can you stand behind your father, right? If he's standing behind you.
Well, you don't know in the Bible tell you until I heard it say, you know, parents provoke not your children to wrath. You see it? And then the Bible go back again and it tell you, say, honor your father and your mother that your days may belong upon the land. You see me, sir? So the thing set. You see me?
Nah, that's hard. I want the bigger than me.
Where you say, G?
Yo, the way that look to me still now, if me understand behind my father still now, and my father stand up behind me now, that I look like two away a fish.
Jesus Christ now.
You serious? Yeah, man.
Yeah, we got it.
Alright, I give you a test today now. You just have to stand up back to back, man.
Okay.
Back to back, man. Return back to back, you know. Him the behind you, and you the behind him.
You know all you.
Next one. What has a bottom at the top?
There's a bottom at the top. Something upside down.
Huh?
Something upside down.
What has a bottom up?
That one there. Me have to think for that one the Jnel, man. Oh God, man.
You have enough time, man. Just think, man. What has a bottom at the top?
What has a bottom at the top? Oh. What has a bottom at the top? I want to pause me now.
What has a bottom at the top?
Water. A bottom at the top. Pudding.
Pudding? Listen, what has a bottom at the top?
Bottom at the top of shoes.
What have a bottom at the top? What do you mean at the top? What do you mean by at the top? What have a bottom at the top?
Yeah, what has a bottom at the top?
What has a bottom at the top of it?
Pun? Pun?
I don't know.
Hole.
Nice.
What has a bottom at the top?
Pudding.
What has a bottom at the top? That'll be a cock.
Oh, no.
How that go? What has a bottom at the top?
I don't know that one there.
Think about it, man.
What has the bottom at the top? Brother, I can't get someone there. Can't get someone there, brother.
Think about it, man. I would give up so easy, man. What has a bottom at the top?
Animal.
Oh, what do you mean?
You know animal, man, when the animal bottom they are top, man. And whichever either genitals they are the bottom with there. Brother, I don't know.
That can't kind of work, though.
See, that can be the answer.
It can't work? Yeah. Alright, we'll give the answer for that one day. What has a bottom at the top?
That's a bottom.
What has a bottom at the top?
What have what?
A bottom at the top.
Bottom at the top. We don't call that now. Bottom at the top. Boy, I don't know what the question is still, so I'm not going to really tell.
Listen, man. What has a bottom at the top?
A bottom at the top? At the top. Yeah, a bottom at the top. Yeah, a bottom at the top.
So what has a bottom at the top?
What has a bottom at the top? Boss, it's still big man thing saying now. I don't know what the question is saying. I know for answer that saying about. It depends on what kind of a bottom from the top till, you know, cause they can have a bottom and a top till, you know. So it's a bottom and a top. So I don't really know if I answer the question right now. See, you understand me?
What has a bottom at the top?
Well, you see, sure the thing controversial still. We're not going really to say certain things, you know, because we don't know, say, you see me? Babylon system, you know, but every man for us, you see me? Persistence to try and don't make Babylon know your weakness in the time of difficulties and struggles, you see me? Yeah.
Think about it, man. Listen, you know, what has a bottom at the top?
Load a bottom top there too, you know.
Jesus Christ now.
Whatever level at the level, because we not use a bottom something there, you know. I don't know.
Yes, you don't know. You give up?
Yeah, quick and fast.
Yeah.
What has a bottom at the top?
What? What am I say?
What has a bottom at the top?
What is that? Tin milk.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going. Oh.
Sorry, the L. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, go through my boss. Go through. Yeah, man. Go through, man. Yeah, well, go on. Big up, you know. Big up, you know. Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 1, season 3. So watch out, make sure you hit the like button, people. Because a long time you don't see me. More like come a day about now, you hit the like button. You see me? I'm a day to stay. So you nobody ask me, what Jnel is soon gone? Jnel I got disappear. Jnel I got this. I am not a magician. I'm here. I'm here, people. So I give you 5 seconds for like the video. 5. Alright, peeps. So you don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow me up on Instagram. You don't know Jnel official_1. And make sure you guys follow Buhn BUHN_reactions. Thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out. Wait. Oh, hold on. Which part am I go? Well, let me take that way there. I'll take that way there. Because traffic up on that side there, you know. But I don't know if traffic down that side is. I hope the people them like the video still. I hope them click the like button, because enough time them watch it and reach at the end of the video. And when you mention something about liking the video, them just a member. So I hope the member still. But you don't know, I cut. Alright. What's one question you can never say yes to?
To your mother if you should ask if you have sex.
Welcome people, you don't know your boy Jnel and welcome back to our next episode of the questions and people right now there in a crossroad, one of the hot spot them. So you don't know, I have to visit all of the hot spot them in the car, you know, the hot spot, you see me, I'm not on the Wi-Fi, so I figure the hot spot, I joke, me have Wi-Fi. You see me, but episode 1, people, episode 1 gone, I like how the people them like up the video, you see me, I like how them share it, I like how they on number 9, pan trending, then go to number 8, then go back to number 9. People really, really appreciate it, but right now, I kind of look discomfort because, you know, I have some little back pain, you see me, so even though I have that regardless, I still forward on the streets and make sure say, yo, I do the video, you understand? Because I promise you no say I not disappear. I am not a magician. I not disappear. So people, hit the like button. I not stop telling you, hit the like button. You see me? So you don't know your boy Jnel. I don't know, I can't, but look run up and down to the cars, you know? Yeah, but I'm out. One.
Hit me up.
Aye.
Catch him up.
Aye. 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 Alright, my boss. First thing what I do, you don't know, just give me a name.
You don't know, I knock off them car me on the street, you see me?
Knock off?
Yeah.
How you get that name then?
Okay, so I said them a knock off, you see me?
Yeah.
Them brand them the real. Be a knock off shoes that we heard that go out like them real, you see me?
Shania.
Davia, you can call me D. Check me on Instagram and Slay Queen Davia with an X.
Fire Buhn.
Fire?
Buhn, B-U-N. But fire, F-I-R-E, B-U-n. Buhn.
Stain done, man.
Stain done.
Yeah.
Spark Squiff.
Cookie.
Cookie?
Yeah.
Where you get that name then?
Cam can cook.
Oh, Mark and Tony Marshall.
A Prince, my name, you know. Yeah, then call me Little Prince still, you know. Yeah. Well, me have a new song for come still, but me not too way yet. But you know, yeah, me I work on it. Name the girl them, you know. You don't know. Them love the full. The girl them I get the full package, you know. Yeah, but the man don't get the full package. The man does the way, but the girl them I get the full package. It's me I deal with, yeah. She sit on it back at the full package, you know, the soap drop at the full package, put over her shoulder at the full package. She said, put down more. That in at the package, then a girl ball out. That not in at the package, the next girl ball out, that in at the package. Rasta on them pork, rasta on them sachets. Yeah. Full package.
Yeah, I mean name Sasha, so you don't know. Pick up original Jnel show, you know the thing go to the world. You see me I deal it, so you don't know. You have a new star, I'm calling him, catch him up. I'm just going to piece now, some more to keep it real.
Tabisha.
Answer.
Yeah.
Not nice.
Not nice. Yeah, man, for you see them on the face, you know, say them on the name not nice, you know. That's always in front of you, but can't be seen.
Yeah. Come back with the come for boss my brains Milan. In front but you can't see it. Yeah, no.
Always in front of me and can't be seen. No sir, I'm a shadow. I'm a spirit. I don't know.
Always in front me, but can't be seen. But the thing will come in front of me seen. It always in front me, but can't be seen.
What's always in front me can't be seen. And Jamaica people are hear that. You know, sir, firm and stick. Never see my stick. Firm and stick. You know, you never see my stick. You know what that mean already, Jamaica? Can I hear that?
What that mean?
That the answer you mean by? You know what I'm saying? My could have caught a lot of other things still, but you can't never see me stick.
Channel style, words and breeze.
Always be front, yo. Your life. Your life.
The future.
Sure.
Positive, and I'm
Sure.
But I change my answer, yes, for sure.
Your future. Yeah. Future.
but always in front me.
But can't be seen.
Always. The breeze. The breeze. Me know what now is dopey.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going. Oh.
What in front here? I can't be seen. They must dopey, man. Go us. Alright. Alright. Me wait. Go us.
Right, next one, right? I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Repeat again, my G.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
You take a wrap it there now. Yeah.
I have a neck, right? But no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
No head.
I will have chicken neck, you call it.
Oh, brother. Bicycle have neck, and it have arm. And another chicken that, you know, head. Bicycle have it. This is a bicycle.
I can't believe somebody come on TV come shave himself. Let me see now. Say it again.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I? Yeah.
Neck with no arm, really. I can't answer one question. Arms also.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You say no, neck.
But no head.
And me not have no neck. Me not have no. It's so weird there. Oh, me feel have neck if me not have no head, brother.
A nigga? Me don't know.
I have a neck, you know.
Yeah.
But no head.
But you have a neck?
Arms, yeah. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Well, I call upon that again because you say you have a neck but no arms.
I have a neck, you know, but no head.
But
arms,
no head.
yeah, arms, but no hand. What am I?
Well, it can be anything, you know. Me don't know that one still.
A alien?
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Dolphin.
No, God!
I tell you, I don't fully have that one to suffer still. But for me, me not go job catch. Nah, go job catch for real. Yeah. Me not have to really answer for that one still.
John, no, you have me in my puzzle box in my GS. Last year I know, but you can't figure that out, but that.
T-shirt.
T-shirt?
Yeah.
Sure.
Positive.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Clock. No, wrong. Sorry.
Alright, hear the question, alright? What's one question you can never say yes to?
You know, I kill a man. I'm not going to tell the judge they're guilty with the explanation.
One question I can never say yes to. How about the that is? I don't know what to answer say.
One question we can never say yes to. Not that hard, you know, brother. One
think about
question,
it.
I think about it. But, boy, oh, yeah, me get it now. One question me I never answer to. Yeah, man. Yeah, me get that one, you know. Me would have never it so the boy can't answer that question there.
Aha!
What?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Well, enough question I can't say yes to. Because if a man come and say I want to kill you, you're not going to say yes to it. If a girl come and say for bow with her, you're not going to say yes to that. If I wanna come get dirty water to drink, you're not gonna say yes to that. So certain things you're not gonna say yes to.
Yeah.
If I come straight and they say yes.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah.
What's one question you can never say yes to? What you mean?
You want me to come out to it, right?
Yeah man, what's one question you can never say yes to?
One.
Whoa, that's so nice.
One question you can't say yes to.
We'll never love a man.
Well, ever done. There's a lot amount of questions you can yes, but depends on how you're going to say yes. You see me, I did it. So listen good before you can answer a question before you can say yes or can say no. I'm not so sure when you can't tell us say yes or for anything so sure. But my yes, you have to get some of that. See it.
Michika, what I can't say yes to? I can't, no boy can't put on my water. I can't say that. But I know what I'm going to say. But I know that I know I'm not going to say yes to. Yeah. That's the truth.
One question you can never say yes to. You have more than one question you can't say yes to still, you know, but that one day I feel big yes still. I not say yes to that still.
We're going to kill nobody. Straight up. Can't say yes to that question because life you are dealing with. You hear that?
Yes. May I overthink that one, yeah? Pass.
You say pass?
No, that one, yeah.
You still want the answer?
Yeah.
The answer, are you dead?
Oh.
What's one question you can never say yes to?
To your mother if you should ask if you have sex. Repeat the question.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 2, and you don't know they're in a crossroad. So watch you know, follow me on Instagram, JNLofficial_1. Follow Buhn too, BUHN_reaction. You don't know Buhn have him YouTube channel now, so more all I want to go subscribe right now. All I want to go over there right now and just hit the subscribe button. You don't know, leave a comment. You see me, you don't know they're in a crossroad. Remember to hit the like button. The last video, trust me, I love how it go on. You see me? So make sure you hit the like button. So people, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. Jnel, where we go? Half a tree? Yeah. Half a tree? Half a tree, Mago. Think of Constant Spring. You're not moving now? Alright, peeps. Him not moving now, but me I'm moving now. Big up on yourself, peeps. You don't know my boy Jnel, and I'm out. Whoa, hold on there. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Oh, a penis.
Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of Trick Question. People, you don't know me there. I'm there downtown Kingston, one of the hot spot, you see me? So watch now, this is episode 3 and I can't wait to move cause big man thing from a far town. People just a bomb rush me so. People just a bomb rush. People, me there for good. Me there for good. Me telling you say me there for good, you know. I am not a magician. People, you don't know your boy Jnel. Yo, you feel good for the outside.
You feel good too.
You feel good too. Yeah. People, Buhn feel good for the outside too. So watch now. Me I move right now without further ado. You don't know. Yeah, I'm gone. Alright, my G. First thing I want you do, just give me a name.
My name Cheddar. I check out my clothing wear.
clothing brand on Instagram, All and Wears. You can follow it. Yeah, man, are you there?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Gwendolyn Simmons.
Chin. Say again? Chin. Chin.
KZ.
Ziggy. Said. Tony.
Tony.
Yeah.
Me a load of man, you know.
Load
I
of
don't
man.
know, say, yeah. I write that's a one time thing, and I'm not wild out, you know.
No,
I don't know, say, yeah. What? I post that to me?
I post that to me.
Look. You see me? You see me?
Yeah.
Look good?
Yeah.
Look good. I mean,
Alright. And you say, man. The loader, man. Yeah, man.
Sylvia. Green.
J Frost.
Rajae. Yeah, I mean, them called Blue Go. It's the original.
You know what say a Buhn still?
Buhn.
Yeah.
Allen.
Christopher Miller.
Kevin.
Marcia British.
Susan Ellis.
Tid. They come to sing today.
Sophia.
Peter. Ramil, man, when them got fashion is on the gram, is it me?
Shaquan.
Tamika. Barbie.
You know, say, a DJ Hakim though, but watch out go on now. More people them just go to homes and just jump over to YouTube. Follow our YouTube channel, Life with Ree and Hakim. That's REE and the symbol and Hakim, AKEEM, and just subscribe up people. It's a couple's channel, I understand.
Yeah. Alright, Meji. So the first question, right? Yeah. If B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
Yeah, well, no. Yeah, well, no. You see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so straight. Just checking. You see me?
Yes, I can't manage that one.
No, what's that now?
Yeah.
Check out something different without checking.
If B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
T-O-N-E. T-O-N. Tone.
How you spell phone?
Phone. P-H-O-N-E.
Oh, you never hear me good.
Yeah.
Missed it. Sorry about that. Watch out now. P-H-O-N-E.
P-H-O-N-E.
P-H-O-N-E?
Yeah.
Alright, my boss.
P-H-O-N-E.
P-H-O-N-E.
How you spell phone?
Yes, Meji.
P-H-O-N-E.
Yes, Meji. Same thing.
Same thing.
If B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
F-O-N-E.
Yeah, boy.
And T-O-N-E a tone.
Yeah.
How you spell phone?
P-H-O-N-E.
P-H-O-N-E. Yeah, man.
If B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
I don't mean to come in something better than that, man. Come in something better than that, man. I don't want to easy, man.
If B-O-N-E a bone, right? And T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
No.
P-H-O-N-E.
P-H-O-N-E.
Then a good speller.
P-O-N-E. Yeah, man, make me laugh that question. Hold on, where you say again? Go back over with the question.
If B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
Phone. F-O-N-E. If the phone spell that way, but that's the thing we matter about.
How you spell phone?
P-I-N-R-T-T.
Dark Lord, eh?
N-T-3. T-O-N-T-O-K-E.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If B-O-N-E a bone, right? And T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
Right, you don't know. You see spelling? A mismatch.
So you spell that, show them. Bijah teacher.
A mismatch.
Yeah.
You see, you don't know that one there?
No, must be Madin. Barrage. You're deaf. Barrage. Western Kingston Navis.
Alright, my boss. If B-O-N are bone, right? And T-O-N are tone. How you spell phone?
Phone. P-O-N in a phone. Our phone. Our grown. Our moan. And down our tone.
Boy, if you don't get...
So it says B-O-N-E a bone and T-O-N-E a tone.
Yeah. How you spell phone?
P-H-O-N-E.
No, P-H-O-N-E. P-H-O-N-E.
Answer the man, easy answer. Just spell phone. P-H-O-N-E a phone, same way.
What you say? Talk again.
If B-O-N are bone and T-O-N are tone, how you spell phone?
F what?
How you spell phone?
P-H-O-N-E, phone.
No, I'm taking it away first. Talk over. I will check it out. Internet, you have up on it now.
Next one. What is easy to get into but hard to get out of?
Easy to get into, but hard to get out of.
Boras, check him. See killer boss. See boss,
Yeah, my boss. See down here, see down here. See that? Rich. Yeah, my boss. Hear the question now, right? What is easy to get into and hard to get out of?
Like with people, to me. You see, my personality is somebody, you know, easy to get in at them.
Oh, no, the kid is not a bad doctor.
At them, like Western Kingston Barrage. You see, ordinary. My whole town we parade. Everybody, Matches Lane, Loot Lane, Tivoli Garden, everybody know Barrage. Every entertainer, big up.
Okay.
On the sticky man. Easy to get in, but hard to come out.
So it's very easy to get into, but hard to come out of.
Pass, I understand.
It is very easy to get into and hard to get out of.
Alright, what you say now? That's enough. That's my pants, you know, car.
Even nice.
My pants tight, you know, generally. You see me, because half can come out tight, you know.
Is it easy to get in, but
yeah, it's getting half. That's my pants, you know.
Yeah. What you say?
But I say, do we get in the to get to her? Mix up.
Trouble. I don't know what to say.
Trouble.
What's easy to get into and hard to get out of?
You say what other things?
What is very easy to get into and hard to get out of?
GL.
My nigga.
GL house. Easy for going in your heart for come out of that.
This is my last one now, right? What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Can hold in your left hand, not in your right. A fist.
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Alright, when I can't hold on my left hand, can't hold on my right. That one you look tricky, man. I want to have me.
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
You can't hold in your left or you can't hold in your right. I can't, alright. The way I see it, I just my hand to hand.
because I can't squeeze my left and I can't squeeze my right. I have the two on them. The question you have me away. I force me to hear that one there. I want to see that I have all my fans tied up.
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Oh, a penis.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
A knife and fork.
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Right. In your left hand but in the right. Righteousness.
What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Boy, I don't know. I want him holding on my left hand.
What that?
My gun just prefer my lighter. That's all me holding on my left hand.
Yeah.
You understand, brother?
Yeah.
That's how it said.
Pass that again still.
You say pass that. So you want the answer?
Right hand. Right hand.
You can't hold your left hand and you can't hold your right hand. No.
You say you give up? You give up?
I don't know that.
You give up?
Yeah, I give up.
Take that,
Right hand.
Yeah.
Holding your left hand, but can't go in your right hand. Me give up on that one.
You say give up?
Yeah, man.
Your right hand, man. You hold your right hand and your left hand, you know. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
Only thing I can hold in my left hand and not in my right hand. Because I not to use my left hand still in my right hand, I use. So the only thing I can hold in my left hand is either I go hold money or I use my left hand hold my spliff for my bill because I get the weed talk to you know, because I burn weed, you know. Hold my spliff for my bill and rub out, so.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 3. And you know, so we're in downtown Kingston, one of the hottest spots. So watch out, follow me on Instagram, Jnel official_1. Follow Buhn too, BUHN_reaction. And people, remember, Buhn have him YouTube channel now. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Buhn reaction. I got the right on the screen. So you see me, thanks for watching. I don't know the place dark up, so we have to hurry up and move. You know, we don't want the rain catch me because I don't like water. So I don't like beard. No, I like man. I like beard, people. I like beard. You see me? But thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel. We are going to move now. You see me? And I'm out.